how to switch rows and columns in Excel. Let's get started. To swap rows and columns in Excel, commence by selecting the area you intend to rearrange. Right-click on the chosen section and opt for Copy. Next up, click on the cell where you want the upper left-hand corner of the transposed data to be placed. For example, let's choose cell F2. Execute a right-click and select Paste Special. Then paste the special again. Within this menu, locate the transpose function, designed for flipping rows and columns in a table. Click OK and that's it. A duplicate of the original data table is now generated with its rows and columns ingeniously switched. Keep in mind though, the transpose function is static. If you modify a value in the source table, let's say in cell C3, the corresponding cell in the transpose table like G3 remains unchanged. Now a question for you. Does this static transposition suit your needs, or would you like to explore dynamic methods for swapping rows and columns? Share your thoughts in the comments below.